and the doors will open toward you. Please stand by. Raise your hands for security clearance. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tanner to Bonds.
It kind of reminds you not to stand by the doorway or not to lean on the couch.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know. Carefully scrutinize each and every beast that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy let's use this guy. Hearing it incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ouch! That was not part of the plan! Why? Of course I escaped! For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Huh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
My row number 3, in the back to the right. 4, in the back to the left. 5, follow 2. Come on in, a front to the left.
Okay. Go to the side. Keep it in the corner.
To the right. All right, everyone, keep on going with your left side.
Rocket unplugs you and starts things right. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll. Okay, I got clearance. That's thematically inconsistent.